Today we're going to read Ben and Jen. If you can, read along with me. Follow the words. Jen, 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 said Ben. I cannot get Jen. Hmm, sounds like this is Ben, but who is Jen? Could Jen be the bear in the tree? Let's find out. Get a net, said Ed. Ben cannot get Jen. Get a box, said Ted. Ben cannot get Jen. Can Meg get Jen? She cannot get Jen. Ed and Ted got some men. Ben and Meg got some men. Looks like they're stacking them together like our stacking blocks. I can get Jen, said Meg. Meg did it. Meg did get Jen. Wow, so they had to work together to get Jen out of a tree. How did they get Jen out of the tree? Great job. Now I'm going to go back to the beginning and I want you to read this book all by yourself. Okay, starting on the first page. Remember, there's a lot of names in here. This bear is named Jen, and this is Ben. Go ahead and start reading. Great job reading, boys and girls. Try it again if you have some time.